Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into how to integrate n8n with popular payment apps in 2025. Let's take a look at the most popular payment applications of 2025: Stripe, PayPal, and Square, among others. Now, I'll walk you through setting up n8n and connecting it to your chosen payment app. We'll demonstrate key use cases, such as automating payment notifications and managing subscriptions. When integrating with payment systems, it's essential to follow best practices to protect sensitive data. Let's explore how to create advanced workflows by combining payment apps with CRM and marketing tools. Here are some common troubleshooting tips for successfully integrating your payment apps with n8n. Don't forget to check out community resources and forums for support on your n8n integrations. Let's discuss future trends in payment automation and what we can expect from n8n in the coming years. In conclusion, leveraging n8n can significantly streamline your payment processing.